Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to start from sum number 9. So here you have to find out the product of these three matrices. So here first I find out the product of the second and third one, and then when we get the result, then you multiply the product matrix with the first one. So here the order of that matrix, that is 3 cross 3, okay, and here the order of the matrix, that is 3 row and 1 column, so 3 cross 1, okay. So that means here the final matrix, the product matrix, the order of the product matrix would be 3 cross 1, okay. That means there will be 3 row and 1 column. So first write down this one, and if you multiply this one, you will get a into x plus h into y and then plus g z. This is the first element. Next one, hx by plus fz, second element. Next, gx, fy and cz is the third element. Now here you have to multiply this matrix with this one. Here the order is 1 cross 3 and here the order is 3 cross 1. Then the final answer will be 1 cross 1 matrix. Okay, so that means only 1 row and 1 column. So first here x into this one, okay, you have to write down x into this one. So ax square, hxy and then gxz, then plus again multiply y with this one. So hyx plus by square, then fyz, and the last one multiply z with this one. So gzx, fzy and the last one cz square. So it is 1 cross 1 matrix, okay. So now you have to write down here ax square plus by square plus cz square. Now as here hxy, here also hxy, so 2hxy. Similarly 2fyz and the last one 2zx is your answer. Now next one, sum number 10. In sum number 10, here matrix A equal to alpha, beta, gamma and minus alpha. And here a square equal to I means identity matrix, okay. I means identity matrix. Now you have to find out the value of alpha square plus beta gamma, okay. You have to find out the value of this one. So as here a square means a into a, that means you have to multiply 2a matrix. So first you write down alpha beta, then gamma minus alpha, again multiply alpha beta gamma minus alpha, and that equal to a square. A square means identity matrix, so that we equal to 0 1 0 1, okay, sorry 1 0 0 1. So this is called the identity matrix. So now this one, alpha into alpha, alpha square, and then beta into gamma, beta gamma, then beta into alpha, alpha beta, minus alpha into beta, minus alpha beta. Next beta into gamma, alpha into gamma, alpha gamma, and then here minus alpha and gamma, minus alpha gamma, then beta into gamma, beta gamma, and here minus alpha, so plus alpha square, and that equal to 1 0 0 1. So now if you compare this one, you will get alpha square plus beta gamma, that equal to 1. So that is your answer. Now sum number 11. So here in sum number 11, given here a equal to alpha 0 1 1 and b equal to 1 0 2 1. Here also said that a square equal to b matrix. So that means first you have to find out the a square matrix, and then you have to find out the value of alpha. So here a square equal to alpha 0 1 1, then again multiply with alpha 0 1 1, okay. So it will be now alpha square, the first one, then here 0 into alpha 1 to 0, so it will be 0. Third one, alpha into 1 1 into 1, so it will be alpha plus 1, and the last one here will be 0 and 1, so it will be 1. So alpha square equal to this one, and it's equal to, sorry, a square equal to this one, and it's equal to with B matrix. Okay, so that means this one equal to, you can write 1 0 2 1, 1 0 2 1. So whenever you compare the elements, you will get alpha square equal to 1, and here alpha plus 1 equal to 2. So from that, alpha equal to plus minus 1, and here alpha equal to 1. Okay, that means the common value of alpha that equal to 1. So your answer will be 1. Now sum number 12. If A is a square matrix such that A square equal to I, then find the simplified value of this one. So as you know that here you can apply the formula A minus B whole cube. So it will be here A cube, after that 3A square I, okay, 3A square I, and then after that it will be 3A I square, and the last one will be minus I cube. Okay, last one will be minus I cube. Then again here A cube plus 3A square I, after that minus, sorry, it will be also plus 3A I square, and the last one will be plus I cube, and then minus 7A. So as here 3A square I, here 3A square will be cancel out, and here minus I cube plus I cube, it will be also cancel out. So now you have A cube plus A cube, that means 2A cube, and then here 3A, okay, then here 3A I square, here also 3A I square. So it will be now plus 6A I square, and then minus 7A. Clear? Okay, so now as here 6A I square, you know that I square equal to A. Okay, that means a identity matrix, if you multiply two identity matrix, it will be a identity matrix. Okay, so this one equal to I, so you can write down here 6AI. So 2A cube plus 6AI minus 7A. So now here it will be 2A cube, that means 2A square into A, and here 6AI means 6A, so 6A minus 7A, that equal to minus A. Now as here A square means I, so 2I into A, it will be 2A, so 2A minus A, and that equal to A is your final answer. Now sum number 13 1. So here in sum number 13, write the following as a single matrix. So that means first here you have to multiply these two matrix and then subtract this matrix from the product matrix. So as here 2 into 1, it will be 2, then 0, so it will be plus 0, and then last one 7 into 3, that equal to 21. So first element. Next minus 1, then minus 2, and then 15 as the second element, and the last one it's 5 minus 8, and the last one will be 0. So now subtract the second one. Okay, so now here 2 plus 21, 2 plus 21, that equal to here 23. Then here it will be minus 3. Okay, minus 3 plus 15. Okay, minus 3 plus 15, sorry, here would be 2 into, it's 4, sorry, extremely sorry for that. So here 2 into 2 minus 4, so it will be here plus 15 minus 5, so that will be 10, and the third one will be minus 3. Okay, and then minus 2 minus 5 7, so 23 minus 2, that equal to 21, 10 minus 5, that equal to 5, minus 3 minus 7, that equal to minus 10. So that is your answer. Now the second one. So here the second one, first you have to multiply this one. So 2 into 3, it becomes 6, then 2 into 2, it's 4, 5 into 3, it's 15. Next 2 into 3, 6 minus 2 and 25. Okay, here 2 into 7, 14 minus 8, it will be 0. and then here 14 plus 4, last one will be 0. Then subtract here 7 minus 8, 5, 9. So this one will be 15 plus 10, that equal to 25. Here 14 minus 8, that equal to 6. This one will be 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 plus 25, 29, and it will be here 18. Then minus 7 minus 8, 5, 9. Okay, so your answer will be 25 minus 7, that equal to 18. 6 minus 5, that equal to 1. 29 minus here plus, so it will be 37. And the last one 18 minus 9, that equal to 9 as your answer. Now sum number 14. In sum number 14, here A equal to 6923, that means 2 by 2 matrix. B equal to 260798, 2 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so now first you have to find out AB. So as here number of columns of A equal to number of rows in B, so you can easily find out AB. So here it will be 6923, then multiply with 260798. Okay, so 69 and here 27. So first one will be 6 into 2 12, and there 9 into 3 63. The next one 36 plus 81. Last one 0 and plus 72. Next here 4 plus 21. 6 into 2 12 plus 27. Then again 0 and plus 24. So here your answer will be 75. It will be 25. This one will be 117. This one will be 39, 72, and the last one will be 24 as your answer. Now here can you find BA? So here B, the order of matrix of B, that equal to 2 cross 3, and order of matrix of A, that equal to 2 cross A. So here the number of columns of B not equal to number of rows. Okay, number of columns from set B, from matrix B not equal to number of row in matrix A. That means here BA does not exist. Now sum number 15. So this is the last sum for this video. So here A equal to this one, B equal to this one, and you have to first find out AB. So here 3 and 3 equal, so you can easily find out AB. So as here AB will be 2 into 2, then here 4 into 2 minus 8, and then plus 6. This one will be minus 8 plus 8 plus 10. Then here 3 minus 10 and then plus 3. And this one will be minus 12 plus 10 plus here 5. Okay, so your answer will be here 0, minus 4, 10, and here 3. Now next thing you have to find out BA also. So BA here number of columns equal to number of rows. So you can easily find out BA also. So in that case it will be here 2 into 1, then plus 3 into minus 4, so minus 12. Okay, 2 into 1, then here 3 into minus 4, so that equal to minus 12. Next here minus 4 plus 3 into 2 6. And here 2 into 3 6, and 3 into 5 15. Okay, now the next one, here the next one 4 into 1, and then plus, it will be minus, because 5 into 4, that equal to 20. After that minus 8 plus 10. After that 12 plus 25. Now the third row, here 2, and that will be minus 4, then minus 4 plus 2, and the last one will be 6 plus 5. Okay, so you have to be very careful whenever you multiply the matrix. So that equal to here minus 10 plus 2, and the last one will be here 16, that means 21. So here also minus 20, and here 4, so it will be 16, and then here 2, and here will be 37. Next one minus 2, here also minus 2, and this one will be 11. Okay, so that means here AB not equal to BA.